Hello everyone, welcome to your physics class of class 8th. I hope you all will be fine. Students, today in this video we will complete question answers of lesson number 8. Okay, so let's begin our class. Question number 1, from where does the electricity come to our home? Answer, in our homes, electricity comes from the city substation. Question number 2, what is an electric meter? Where is it fixed in our house? Electric meter is an energy meter or kilowatt meter and measures the amount of electrical energy consumed in kilowatt hour for which electricity bill is paid. It is connected through a cable after company fuse on the front or outside wall of the house. Question number 3, state the purpose of kilowatt meter. Purpose of kilowatt meter is to measure the electric energy consumed in kilowatt hour for which the electricity bill is to be paid, that is units of energy consumed. Question number 4, for which unit do we pay our electricity bill? Answer, unit is board of trade, BOARD. Okay, so I add R here. That is 1 kilowatt hour equals to 1000 watt used in 1 hour. Then question number 5, how can you check just by seeing the meter whether the electricity is in use or not? If the electricity is in use, the counter fixed on the armature of the meter rotates and reads the number of rotations. Question number 6, the diagram below in figure shows the reading on the dials of a meter. State what is its reading. So this is your answer. Question number 7, one day the meter reading is found to be 7,643 units, while next day it was found it was 7,657 units. What is the consumption of electricity in a day? So this is your answer. Now question number 8, a source of potential difference V volt sends current I ampere in a circuit of for time t second. Write expressions for electrical energy supplied by the source and electrical power spent by the source. Okay, so this is your answer. Now question number 9, name the unit in which you pay the cost of your electricity bill. How is it related to joule? Answer, unit in which the electricity bill is charged is board of trade. 1 unit equals to kilowatt hour, and this is your relationship between kilowatt hour and joule. Question number 10, if an appliance of power P watt is used for time T hour, how much electrical energy is consumed in kilowatt hour? So this is your answer. Now question number 11, what is an electric fuse? State its purpose in the household electrical circuit. Fuse is a safety device which is used to limit the current in an electric circuit. Purpose of fuse in household circuit, it safeguards the circuit and the appliances connected in the circuit from being damaged if the current in the circuit exceeds the specified value due to voltage fluctuation or short circuiting. Question number 12, state one property of the material of a fuse wire. So these are the characteristics of fuse wire. Question number 13, name the material of a fuse wire. Material used is an alloy of lead and tin having low melting point of 200 degrees Celsius. Question number 14, can we use copper wire as a fuse wire? Give reason. Copper wire cannot be used as a fuse wire since melting point of copper is higher and its resistance is very low and current can flow through it without melting it and without breaking the circuit. Question number 15. How does a fuse protect the electric wiring from being damaged due to voltage fluctuations or insulation on the wire of cable gets worn and torn, that is break, T-O-R-N, this is torn. Okay. The live wire comes in contact with neutral wire and result in short circuit. To prevent this damage, a fuse is used in the live wire. The fuse wire gets heated up to the extent that it melts. A gap is produced in the live wire, and the circuit becomes incomplete. No current flows, and the appliance is saved. Question number 16. Which fuse wire is thick, 5 ampere or 15 ampere? So this is your answer. 15 ampere fuse wire is thick. Now question number 17, write the full form of MCB. Answer, miniature circuit breaker. Question number 18, how is MCB superior to the fuse wire? MCB automatically falls down, switch off the circuit in very short time. When excessive flow of electric current in a circuit, it is raised up after the fault is rectified. Question number 19, with which wire, live or neutral, is a fuse wire connected? Fuse wire is connected with live wire. Question number 20, what do you mean by short circuiting of a circuit? So this is your answer. Question number 21. Figure shows two ways of connecting the three bulbs A, B and C to a battery. Name the arrangement. Which of them do you prefer to use in a household circuit? Give reason to support your answer. Okay, so first one is in series arrangement, second is in parallel arrangement, and parallel arrangement of bulbs is preferred as if one of the bulb gets fused, the other two remains will keep glowing. Question number 22. How are the electrical appliances connected in a house circuit? In series or parallel? Give reason. So electrical appliances in a house are connected in parallel as each appliance gets full voltage. As resistance is in parallel becomes low. If fuse of one appliance is fails, it does not affect the working of the other appliance, and we can light one bulb without lighting the other bulbs. Question number 23. Name the household electric circuit. If one bulb is fused in a room, the other bulb keeps glowing. Bulbs keep glowing. Explain the reason. In a household electric circuit, the appliances are connected in parallel, and each appliance has an independent path of current for and work at the same voltage. Hence, if one bulb in a room is fused, the other bulbs keep glowing. Question number 24. State the voltage at which electricity is supplied to our houses. So answer is 220 volts. Question number 25. Draw a label diagram with the necessary switches to connect a bulb, a fan, and a plug socket in a room with the mains. In what arrangement will you connect them to the mains? So this is your answer diagram. Okay. Now question number 26. State the color coding of the three wires in a cable used for color coding. Okay. First one is for live wire, neutral, and earth wire. These are the color coding. Now question number 27. What is the metal covering of an electrical appliance? Earth. So this is your answer. Okay, you can write it from here. Either you can take the screenshot or you can simply pause the video and complete your work. And these are your numericals. Okay, of part A. Okay, you can complete this work in your notebook. Now part B, 8th B. Okay, question answers of this 8th B part. First question is, what do you understand by electricity at rest? When the charges are not allowed to flow, are termed as static electricity, that is the electricity at rest. Okay. Now question number 2. Why does a plastic comb rubbed with dry hair attract bits of paper? Plastic comb rubber rubbed with dry hair gets charged and attracts the bits of paper. This is rubbed, R-U-B-B-E-D. Now question number 3. Who discovered the way of producing electricity by friction? So this is your answer. Question number 4. Name two substances which can be charged by friction. Okay, answer glass and ebonite. Question number 5. What are the two kinds of charges, negative and positive charge? Question number 6. A glass rod is rubbed with silk. State the kind of charge acquired by each. So this is your answer. And this is your diagram for this answer. Question number 7. An ebonite rod is rubbed with fur. State the kind of charge acquired by each. Okay, so you can write your answer from here. Question number 8. Describe an experiment to demonstrate that there are two kinds of charges. Okay, so you have to write this experiment. Now question number 9. How will you show that like charges repel and unlike charges attract each other? And for this answer, you have to write this diagram. This experiment and draw these diagrams. Now question number 10. A glass rod rubbed with silk is suspended near an ebonite rod and that is rubbed with fur. What will be your observation? Give reason for your answer. A glass rod rubbed with silk, that is positively charged, is brought near ebonite rod rubbed with fur, that is negatively charged. Attraction is seen as they both have opposite charges. Okay. Now question number 11. An ebonite rod rubbed with fur is suspended near another ebonite rod rubbed with fur. State your observation and give reason to support your answer. Okay, so both the rods are rubbed with fur and have similar charges, that is negative charges, and therefore they both repel each other. Question number 12. What do you mean by conservation of charges? So this is your answer. Now question number 13. An ebonite rod is rubbed with fur. Compare the charges acquired by them. An ebonite rod rubbed uh, with fur, the electrons are transferred from fur to ebonite rod. Ebonite has excess of electrons, is negatively charged. Fur, due to deficit of same number of electrons, get positive charged. Okay. Now, question number 14. Name three constituents of an atom and state the kind of charge on each of them. Okay, so three constituents of atom are protons, electrons, and neutrons, and the charges are positive, negative, and electrically neutral. Means that is third one has no charge. Like neutrons have no charge. Question number 15. What is the net charge on an atom? So net charge on an atom is 0. That is atom is neutral. Now question number 16. Briefly describe the structure of an atom. So this is your answer. Now question number 17. What are free electrons? Free electrons are the electrons of the outermost orbit of a solid which can easily leave the atom and becomes free to move inside the solid, and these are known as free electrons. Question number 18. What causes the charging of two objects when they are rubbed together? Okay, so this is your answer. You have to draw these diagrams also. Question number 19. In each of the following cases, state which body loses electron. A glass rod when rubbed with silk and an ebonite rod rubbed with fur. Okay, so a glass rod is rubbed with silk. Glass rod loses electrons and becomes positively charged. Silk gains electrons and becomes negatively charged. An ebonite rod is rubbed with fur. Fur loses electrons and acquire positive charge. Now question number 20. A glass rod is rubbed with silk. Explain the charging of the glass rod and the silk on the basis of electron movement. Okay, so this is your answer. Now question number 21. An ebonite rod is rubbed with fur. Explain the charging of the ebonite rod and the fur on the basis of electron movement. Okay, so this is your answer of 21. Okay. Now, question number 22. Distinguish between conductors and insulators. So these are the differences between conductors and insulators. Okay. Question number 23. Give one example each of a conductor and an insulator of electricity. Okay. So this is your answer. Question number 24. State two ways of charging a conductor. So these are the two ways of charging conductor: conduction method and induction method. Now you have to draw these diagrams also. Now question number 25. Name the way of charging a conductor in which the charge is shared. So answer is by conduction. Question number 26. Describe the method of charging conductor by conduction. So conduction, the process of charging an uncharged conductor with a charged conductor by touching the uncharged one. Here the uncharged conductor shares the charge as a charged conductor. Okay, and you have to draw this diagram. Method of charging. Okay, so you have to write this also. Question number 27. A metal rod A is to be charged positively by using another charged rod B. What should be the kind of charge on the rod B if charging is to be done by conduction? Okay, so this is your answer number 27. 28. Explain the charging by conduction in terms of movement of electrons. So this is your answer. Question number 29. Describe the method of charging a conductor by induction. Okay, you have to write this answer. You can pause the video or you can take the screenshot and you can write in your notebook in neat and clean handwriting. Question number 30. Explain the charging by induction in terms of movement of electrons. So this is your answer. Now question number 31. Figure below shows a metal rod AB placed on an insulating stand. Figure A, a negatively charged ebonite rod C is touched with the metal rod AB, while figure B, the negatively charged ebonite rod C is held near the rod AB. State the kind of charges at the ends A and B of the rod in each case. Okay, so this is your answer. Now, next question number 32. Can you charge an insulator by the method of conduction? No, we cannot charge an insulator by the method of conduction. Question number 33. What is an electroscope? Name the two types of electroscope. So this is your answer. Okay. Question number 34. Describe a pitball electroscope. How can you use it to test whether a body is charged or uncharged? This is your answer. Question number 35. How will you use a pitball electroscope to find out whether the charge on a charged body is positive or negative? Okay, take a positively charged pitball electroscope, bring the charged body near the pitball without touching. If the pitball moves away, the body has similar charge, and if the pitball moves towards the body has negative charge. Question number 36. Draw a label diagram of a gold leaf electroscope and describe its construction. So this is your answer. Now, question number 37. A positively charged glass rod is touched with the disc of an uncharged gold leaf electroscope. What will be your observation? So leaves will diverge as both leaves have positive charge due to conduction and diverge as like charges repel each other. Okay. Now, question number 38. How will you use a gold leaf electroscope to find out whether a body is charged or not? So, this is how we can find out. You can write this answer from here. Question number 39. How will you use a gold leaf electroscope to find out whether the charge on a charged body is positive or negative? So, this is your answer. Question number 40. A negatively charged ebonite rod is touched with the disc of a negatively charged gold leaf electroscope. What will be your observation? So divergence of leaves will increase because similar charge will increase. Now question number 41. When a charged rod is touched with the disc of a positively charged gold leaf electroscope, it is observed that the divergence of leaves decreases. What is the kind of charge on the rod? As on touching the disc with charged rod, divergence in the leaves decreases. This means the rod has opposite kind of charge than leaves, that is, rod has negative charge. Describe Franklin's experiment. What did he conclude from his experiment? So this is your answer number 42. Question number 43. What causes lightning? Okay, so this is your answer. Question number 44. What are the effects of lightning? So effects of lightning can kill the men, animals, and shatter the buildings. Question number 45. What is a lightning conductor? How does it work? So this is your answer. You can write it from here. Now question number 46. How is a tall building protected from damage due to lightning? We can protect a tall building from lightning by the use of lightning conductor. Okay. Now this is a working of this lightning conductor. Then question number 47. State 3 safety measures that you will observe in thunderstorm. Okay, so these are the safety measures that we have to take during the thunderstorm. Okay, so these are your answers of lesson number 8. Okay, you have to complete this work in your notebook in neat and clean handwriting. Okay, thank you.